Top 10 interesting facts about dreams that you did not know. Join us in your channel, Masterfacts. Hello, and welcome to Masterfacts channel. We are now back with another different video. Before we go to the video, I need to say that if you are interested in this series of content, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you do not miss future videos. We spend roughly 1/3 of our lives sleeping, and during that time, we dream. Some researchers believe they have symbolic meaning, while some others believe that dreams are related to waking life. While many theories exist to explain why we dream, no one yet fully understands their purpose or what exactly dreams mean. What scientists do know is that just about everyone dreams every time they sleep, and those dreams can be exciting, fascinating, terrifying, or just plain weird. In this video are 10 things you should know about dream. Case number 10. Everyone dreams but not the same dream. During a typical lifetime, people spend an average of 6 years dreaming. Adults and infants like to dream for about 2 hours a night, even if they do not remember it when they wake up, but they certainly have a dream. The brain is active during the night, which causes the eyes to move rapidly during sleep. In fact, researchers have found that people usually have several dreams each night, each one typically lasting for between 5 to 20 minutes, and each will be a different dream. Case number 9. Most dreams are forgotten, but some of them remain completely in the mind. According to one theory as to why dreams are so difficult to remember, the brain changes that occur during sleep do not support the information processing and storage needed to form memory. But some dreams are still not forgotten. As much as 95% of all dreams are quickly forgotten shortly after waking. After scanning the brain of sleeping people, it was found that the frontal lobes, the area that plays a key role in the formation of memory, are inactive during sleep, which causes sleep to be forgotten. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Behavioral Sciences and the Brain found that forgetting dreams may be due to changes in the levels of certain neurotransmitters, particularly acetylcholine and norepinephrine, during sleep for unknown reasons. And another study, published in Frontiers of Psychology, found a link between dream recall and the middle frontal cortex. Participants with higher white matter concentrations reported higher dream recall, which received much attention. Case number 8. Not all dreams are colored, and we have black and white dreams. During the studies, dreamers were awakened and asked to choose colors from the chart that matched the colors of their dreams. Among the colors, soft pastel colors have the most choice. While most people report dreaming in color, roughly 12% of people claim to only dream in black and white. People over the age of 55, however, report black and white dreams about 25% of the time. But people who are under the age of 25 rarely report dreaming in black and white. Some researchers believe that this difference is a result of childhood exposure to black and white television, and this idea is supported by an older study, which found that people in the 1940s rarely reported dreaming in color, and this is an interesting reason to explain this disorder. Case number 7. Men, women and children have different dreams. In recent research, researchers have found some differences between men and women when it comes to the content of their dreams. In several studies, men reported dreaming about weapons significantly more often than women did, while women dreamed about references to clothing more often than men, which is because of their spirit. Another study showed that men's dreams tend to have more aggressive content and physical activity. This is because of the movies and the modern lifestyle. While women's dreams contain more rejection and exclusion, as well as more conversation than physical activity, and this is interesting. It was also determined women tend to have slightly longer dreams that feature more characters. When it comes to the characters that typically appear in dreams, it is interesting to know men dream about other men twice as often as they do about women, while women tend to dream about both sexes equally, and this has to do with the characters. Case number 6. Animals may dream, but it has not been proven. Many people think that when a sleeping dog shakes its tail or when a sleeping cat claps its paws, it is dreaming. But this is not a convincing reason. While it's hard to say for sure if this is truly the case, researchers believe that it's likely that most animals, including mammals, birds, reptiles, and fish, go through sleep stages, which means they do indeed dream. However, animals may not experience dreams like humans. In other words, they may not wake up, memorize images, and attach a storyline to it, and the reason is the lack of human-like thinking for them. Case number 5. You need to know that you can control your dreams. A lucid dream is one in which you are aware that you are dreaming even though you're still asleep, and lucid dreaming is thought to be a combination state of both consciousness and sleep, during which you can often direct or control the dream content. You should know that researchers say that people can use various techniques to learn how to lucid dream, including mnemonic induction of lucid dreams and another method. Senses-initiated lucid dreams, which involve waking up after 5 hours and repeating a phrase like "I will remember my dreaming," or focusing on sights, sounds, sensations in your sleep environment, respectively. And with these methods, lucid dream can be controlled. It can be said approximately half of all people can remember experiencing at least one instance of lucid dreaming, and some individuals are able to have lucid dreams quite frequently. Case number 4. Unfortunately, negative dreams are more common. Researcher Calvin S. Hall, Ph.D., over a period of more than 40 years, collected over 50,000 dream accounts from college students. These reports were made available to the public during the 1990s by Hall's student William Domhoff, and it had interesting results. The dream accounts revealed that many emotions are experienced during dreams, like everyday feelings. There are several factors that can impact the emotional content of dreams, including anxiety, stress, and certain medications. This means that the quality of sleep can be improved according to these cases. One study found that external stimuli, including good and bad smells, can play a role in positive and negative dreams. This indicates the strength of the brain. The most common emotion experienced in dreams is anxiety, and negative emotions, in general, are much more common than positive ones, and this is because of the excitement and stress of everyday life. Case number 3. Blind people may have visual dreams, and this is amazing. Researchers in one study of people who have been blind since birth found that they still seem to experience visual imagery in their dreams, and they also had eye movements that correlated to visual dream recall, and that is, the brains of blind people also process images. Although their eye movements were fewer during sleep than the sighted participants of the study, the blind participants reported the same dream sensations, including visual content. This means that they can also dream. Case number 2. You need to know that you are paralyzed while dreaming. Sleep is characterized by voluntary muscle paralysis, meaning that certain conditions are created for the muscles. The phenomenon is known as sleepotonia and prevents you from acting out your dreams while you're asleep. Basically, because motor neurons are not stimulated, your body does not move, and it is a kind of temporary paralysis. In some cases, this paralysis can even carry over into the waking state for as long as 10 minutes, a condition known as sleep paralysis, and it's perfectly normal. While the experience can be frightening, experts advise that it is perfectly normal and should last only a few minutes before normal muscle control returns, and no need to worry. Case number 1. Some dreams are universal, meaning they are repeated for many people. While dreams are often heavily influenced by our personal experiences, researchers have found that certain dream themes are very common across different cultures and related to that culture. For example, people from all over the world frequently dream about being chased, being attacked, or falling, and other common dream experiences include feeling frozen and unable to move, arriving late, flying, and being naked in public that may have happened to you. What do you think? Share it with us in the comments. We hope you enjoy watching this video. Before I say goodbye, if you found this video interesting, kindly like the video. Also subscribe to the channel and ring the bell, so that you don't miss out on future videos. We wish you health and happiness until the next video. Thank you so much for being with us until the end of the video. Goodbye, friends.